there's Rogerosaurus. Anyhow, this is the elevator at the Fred M. Rogers Center at St. Vincent College in Unity Township, Pennsylvania. This building was locked last time I was here. This time it's open. It says elevator A. Maybe there's a service car here, and elevator B, but I don't remember. It's a Thyssenkrupp Marshall original with raw fixtures. Up to 2. Here you go. Kind of dark in here. Buzzing chimes is pretty loud here. 2. Weird there's a 1 lockout. The 2 lockouts a bit weird too. Back down to 1. It's a nice cab. It's kind of dark. The handles and the cab are the same color. It's a dark color. It's perimeter lighting. I think this is kind of like their banquet conference facility here back at 1, but I think there's offices in there too. They're closing. That's gonna be it.